million in 3 fucking hours!
Yeah, so this is how actually people thought it will be. But yeah, but we are still talking about stonks, guys, as you can see here. Guys, as of this recording, as of this minute actually, you can see that across all the superstars, let's start with AMC, they are very, very, very bloody red right now. Okay, so first of all, AMC Entertainment, um, you know, just got shaved 55%. I mean, this was, guys, this was not a matter if, it is just a matter when, all right? This is not sustainable. These gains are absolutely ridiculous, and that's why it's not sustainable. And I personally thought that this will happen on Friday, you know, when some options expire, when people want to take profit into the weekend, if, we have other things that, react, like, for example, this company is now being so much valued, could make a capital raise, and then, this could trigger a sell off or maybe some other news that would be absolutely insane. But this is a huge lesson. And what is even more important here is the following. There is many platforms across the world that limited your trading ability. All right. So just keep this in mind when doing this kind of YOLO trades, that you are going into something which is, first of all, like a casino bet, but second, you also might not be able to sell your gains, and then it will crash, and then no stop sell, nothing will help you to absolutely do something about it, because it will just sell at the best specific price, which can be 50% lower than by then. So it's just ridiculous, guys. Don't do this kind of trading. I'm really, really against it. I was asked by many people. I said, I'm not participating into that. What I did, and here, as you can see, space is also a little bit with just 5-6%, a little bit, profit taking. But space is a totally different story, guys. This is a company that I'm investing long term. I believe in the company. I'm researching the company. This has a real product that is working very well, and in the near future, there's some very, very interesting, nice catalysts. But for the other stocks, right? And here we're coming to the next stock. For example, Nokia got shaved a quarter of their original price, and also BlackBerry the same, 40% down. And the only thing that is actually holding up is the Dogecoin, which was also a very interesting story. Went from, I think, 0. Let us see how much they gained actually. They gained from, how can I see that? They gained from 0.0077 dollar cents to $2 or $2.34. This is insane, guys. This is absolutely insane. And now let's talk about the main stock, which is Gamestop. Okay, so Gamestop is actually not that bad, but very volatile. As you can see here, they were down even up to 126 today, recovered a little bit, but I think then the selling will continue at some point. So and then maybe we will see people jumping again on top of that to try to catch a second wave or anything like that. This will be just absolutely insane. Okay, so here you can see that those movements are ridiculous. Again, I'm thinking that a couple of things came together today, that stonks went down. That's why you see also the studio light is obviously red here, as we are deep diving red. The Tesla is also down because of the missed number earnings, which were maybe too far away from reality, and Tesla is down 3% as of this morning. So yeah, I mean, the most important thing, guys, is that I'm an investor for disruptive consumer companies. Okay, this is my specialty. I know, and I believe to understand why people buying some products, and if it's a good product, hardware wise, software wise, maybe it's just a nice product because the company is doing a really good job in marketing and consumer support, and so there can be many nice, let's say, factors that you can apply. And if you want to learn that, guys, I have even just made this online course which you can purchase. You get even a 10% off if you're using X space 10. So use SPCE 10 for 10% discount. You will get also the lifetime access to Discord, and you will know how to analyze stocks or what to look forward if you're interested into that. This is how we found Tesla, this is how you found Virgin Galactic stock, and there will be many more to come. But it's obviously better if you can do it by yourself, and maybe we can exchange after that. Yeah, maybe you have some ideas about stocks according to this method. So I'm super excited that also space apparently now going back, now only 3.56% negative. Tesla stays the same. BlackBerry almost 40% down, Nokia 25% down, AMC 50% down. There's no much change there. And let's have a look into GameStop. Yeah, as you can see, it's very volatile. It was 25% down, now it's 15% down. So yeah, I am from one side obviously happy that this happens, because this is just showing people what can happen, and is a warning for many of them. I wouldn't like to see GameStop stock at like 3,000, right, and then it happens, because then it would just soak in so many other people. So I'm glad that this happened. I'm not agreeing with the regulators or regulations by the platforms that they say you cannot trade. This is absolutely your cup of tea, which stocks you are buying and not. And if you don't have a portfolio as of now, you can always go into the link into the description and register with Webull if you are watching from the US, and register. You will get 2 stocks for free if you put even $100 down, which is starting for trading, or $500 down. Then you can so actually if you're putting $100 down, you will get 2 additional stocks, so 4 free stocks directly if you're using the link below. So I'm thinking this is a great offer, and yeah, and you would support the channel obviously as well, as you can see from other channels as well proposing that. And yeah, but I'm not agreeing that those are regulating what we should buy or not, and I see a lot of pressure from CNBC or traditional media that said, how you explain fundamentally the story of GameStop or whatsoever. So first of all, there's never a right answer. There can be different kind of views or information that are missing for people's opinions. But then you also need to consider GameStop is not a fundamental trade. It's maybe a social up trade, or maybe it's a speculative trade, or day traders, right? So you cannot ask people, and I think this was done by Scott on CNBC to Shamas yesterday, and they said, what is the story behind it? And he said, it's just not a story, it's just a movement. What is the fundamental story to short a stock to 130%, which is mathematically not really possible. So this question of fundamentally right or wrong will be definitely coming up many times in the traditional media, while we are moving into a totally new area of investing, stock market 2.0. How I would say it. And yeah, I think the selling will continue. Also tomorrow is Friday, so profit taking, the people will see, okay, I have made $50,000 and now it's only 35. I rather take this 35 and run rather than, you know, seeing it dropping maybe even 50 or 70% more. So yeah, let me know in the comments if you were involved and you were also maybe you know, touched by those regulations as what's put in place by some brokers. I definitely keep you updating. Make sure to follow me on Instagram as well, Wolf of Dubai Danny, and check out the links into the description. It's really worth it. And I see you obviously tomorrow or later on Instagram. So it's up to you. Make sure to thumb up this video, and thank you very much for watching. Stonks.